Connecting your RealWear device to Wi-Fi. Today, we will show you the easiest methods for connecting to Wi-Fi from your RealWear device, scanning a QR code, and using the voice keyboard. The Get Connected voice command will automatically appear on your home screen if you are not connected to a network. To connect to Wi-Fi, simply say, Get Connected. From the Get Connected screen, you can choose from two methods, scanning a QR code or selecting your network. Method 1. Scan QR code. Download the RealWear companion app on your smartphone. If you can't download or access the app, you can alternatively use the web tool at realwear.com/onboard/configure. Launch the app and click Set up your device. Select your language. Set your local date and time. Then, select Set up wireless network. Enter the network name, security type, and password. Make sure the name and password are case sensitive. Then, click Generate Code. With the QR code visible on your phone, say, Scan QR code. Raise your phone to get the QR code in view of your RealWear device's camera. Once scanned, you'll be returned to the home screen and your network has been updated. Method 2. Voice keyboard. The second option uses your voice to select a network and enter the password. From the Get Connected screen, say, Select Network. Select your network by either saying the name of the network or selecting the item number that corresponds with it. For RealWear, the voice keyboard will appear by default. If it does not for any reason, simply say, Voice keyboard. Speak the words associated with your password's individual characters. Foxtrot Romeo Echo. You can access letters, numbers, and symbols by speaking the corresponding commands. If you wish to enter your password more securely, say, Secure Keyboard. Move your head to hover over characters and say, Select to input those characters. After you have entered your password, say, Accept. Now that you have your RealWear device connected to Wi-Fi, you are ready to free your hands.